Dear children, I hope that all of you completed the activity page 5 also. Now it is a activity page 6, that is the worksheet for day 4. You learnt about the squares and square roots. Now here fill in the blanks. This is the activity. Fill in the blanks. Here some gaps are left. You must fill that blanks. Here fill the blanks. Here also you must fill the blanks. And you know that this is the activity on the base of the squares. And you know the square number, and also you know the method of finding the square number. Here 1 square is 1 into 1, that is equals to 1. 2 square equals 2 into 2 equals 4. 3 square equals 3 into 3 equals 9. 4 square equals 4 into 4 equals 16. And 5 square equals, you know that 5 square is 25. And what into what, that you have to mention here. Fill in the blanks. And here 81 is there. You must know 81 is a square of 9. So you write that 9 square equals 9 into 9. That is the hint given for you. In this way complete all the blanks. In this way write 8 square equals dash into dash is there. Again here fill up all the blanks. 81 is a square of which number, 100 is a square of which number, 121 is a square of which number, 144 is a square of which number. You fill the blanks all. Next 13 square equals, fill the blanks here. You know that 13 square is 13 into 13, that is 169. Up to 20 square you write. 13 square equals 14 square equals 15 square equals 16 square equals 17 square equals 18 square equals 19 square equals 20 square equals. Fill all the blanks and come to this side. Here find the unit digits or mention the unit digits. Unit digit. So an example is given, 9 square. You know that 9 square equals 9 into 9 equals 81. Then you can say that 9 square is having 1 in its unit place. Unit place. Or here 10 square. You know that 10 square is 100. So what is its unit digit? 0 is the unit digit. Again 13 square. 13 square is 169. Like that way 15 square. 22 square. If you don't know the square, find it by multiplying 22 2 times. 22 into 22. Next 71 square. In this way find the unit digit of all these squares. Unit digit of not 71. It is a unit digit of 71 into 71. What you will get, that number's unit digit you must mention here. Here also 22 square. Unit digit of 22 square, not 22. Multiply 22 into 22. You will get a square. After that find the unit digit. Here also 15 square. Like this way find the unit digit of the 10 square. 13 square, 15 square, 22 square, 71 square. Find the unit digit of the square number, not that number. In the above example, you got these square numbers by multiplying it 2 times. Now, without multiplying directly, it is possible to get the square number. So, one example, first one you take, that is for example, find the square of 23. Find the square of 23. Here 23 can be expressed as 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3, 23 square. 23 square means 20 plus 3 whole square. Then 20 plus 3 whole square is nothing but 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. A plus b whole square is a plus b into a plus b. 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. Now you do the term by term multiplication. First you take 20 and in the other bracket you write 20 plus 3. Next you take 3 and again you write 20 plus 3. Then 20 into 20 is 400. 20 into 3 is 60. Then 3 into 60 is 60. 3 into 3 is 9. And find the sum of all these. 400 plus 60 plus 60 plus 9. What is the sum? The sum is 529. So you got that 23 square equals 529. Children, by using this hint, find the square of 39. You can express 39 as a 40 minus 1. 39 can be expressed as 40 minus 1. It is very easy for you. Then 39 square means 40 minus 1 into 40 minus 1. Then that equals 40 into 40 minus 1 and minus 1 into 40 minus 1, because you can write this 39 as 30 plus 9, but 40 minus 1 becomes easy for you. 40 into 40, you know that 4 4s are 16. 40 into 40 means that is 2 zeros you must put, 1600. And 40 into minus 1, 40 into minus 1 is minus 40. Then minus 1 into 40 is minus 40. Then minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 equals. Then 1600 plus 1 is 1601. Sum of these two, minus 40 minus 40. If you add these two, you will get minus 80. Then 1 minus 0 is 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. And 1591. So the square of 39 is 39 square equals 1521. In this way, you can get the square of 39 without multiplying it directly. Similarly, follow the same steps to find the square of the 42. You can write it as 40 plus 2, square of 32 and square of 71. Now, again there is a special method. If the given number is having 5 in the unit place, you have already learnt in the standard. If the given number is having 5 in the unit place, take one example, 25. Here the unit digit is 5. In that case, here you know that 5 square is 25, right? 25, and 2 is there. 2's next number of 2 is, the number next to 2 is 3. So you write 2 into 3 into 100. Then 2 3s are 6. 6 into 100, you will get 600. Then plus 25 you write. 600 plus 25 is 625. Therefore, square root of 25 is 625. Now, let us take one more example. Take this one. Find the square of 105. Then here you write the 10 is there. The next number is 11. After the 10, the next number is 11 into, here you write 105 whole square, because you have to find the square of 105. Then 105 square is, first what is there? 10 you take. Then 10 into 11, the next number is 11 into 100 plus 5 square. 5 square. Then 10 into 11 is 110. 110 into 1 is 110 and extra 2 zeros. Plus 5 square is 20. Add this. 11,000 plus 25, you will get 11,025. That is square of 105 is 11,025. So by using these hints, find the square of 15, find the square of 95 and find the square of 200. Find the square of 205. Find the square of 205 and find the square of 225.